What do I do? Rule in Magna that everyone has to cheer and have to be in good spirits because this is the unveiling which we never forget. I wait for it. Alright, there we go. The unveil of the Mandate magazine March issue.
Go on, what is that? Take it.
Alright, can I request all the gentlemen to please unveil the date? And these are the men who are going to be on date tonight.
Wow.
Very nice, super. That's quite a good cover for you. Very good.
Thank you.
Well, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce people who are here with us. Not go without saying about the dashing editor of Mandate, Yuvraj. Okay, so the cover looks fantastic. It is such a bold cover for you. How comfortable were you?
I think it's a more bold for the girl. I was just there with a razor and very, I look rather opportunistic, and I wasn't looking up, even between the shots. I swear, I was very decent, and yeah, good.
Do you know the name of the girl who actually showed her leg?
French girl.
Oh, that was a French girl. Yes. She was very, very cute, and she spoke with this little bit of inflection. Yes. She was quite nice.
Okay. So, of course, everybody.
And I didn't even take her number.
You didn't take her number?
No, I didn't.
That's why I'm telling you, he's such a nice boy. He's such a sharif, decent boy. You can take him home. Any girl wants to take him home tonight. He's a man on date.
What he says.
Alright, I know a lot of people must be waiting to ask him questions, and please shoot. If you can raise your hand, we can go in order to ask. Yes, sir.
Hi Ranveer.
Hi.
I want to ask you what attracts you in a woman. Why are you looking at me?
A lot of things. First of all, a sense of, joie de vivre, a sense of joy about life. Her eyes, obviously. Gentleness, a bit of, I think I'm one of those men who likes a bit of nurturing quality in a woman. And there's so many things to like, but I definitely know, and I've always known this ever since I was pretty young, to form an opinion about women because I'd not experienced it so much. But I was very sure I never liked drunk women, and I never liked skinny women. Rest, I can find beauty in every woman. Every woman has got a different quality about her, and I, for one, have an eye for that.
Okay, so what turns you on? I'm adding up to that one. What turns you on in a woman?
Attention.
I don't know, I'm better be...
Attention.
Oh, you said attention?
Yes.
Something else.
Oh, what did you hear? Tension.
Okay. Alright, can I go on with the next one? Yes.
Hi, how do you define your personal style and who according to you is the most stylish actor in Bollywood?
I think there's a bit of a... my personal style is very much governed by the occasion. I can spend all my days in shorts and t-shirt. I think I'm more for the comfort, but lately I have started dressing to the occasion, and I think that should govern your style. And there are a lot of stylish actors in Bollywood. Salman is one. Arjun Rampal is very stylish. Shah Rukh is very stylish. So there's a lot of stylish actors, but everybody's got their own style, and over a period of time, I guess you tend to form your own. But I think I'm more chameleon-like. I can be more different things.
Okay.
That's what I think my forte is. Yeah.
So this is actually your second cover with Mandate.
Yes.
How does it feel? Your second time with Mandate. You
Somebody
have-
give me an Oscar for it, please. Come on.
No, I think you deserve the Magna Oscar completely.
No, it's a great pleasure to always work with Magna Publications, and in fact, they gave me that Searchlight Award for Highway as well.
I think it was a beautiful film.
Yes,
So-
I'm very glad that they gave me. It was very encouraging. That was the first award of the year, and so
Was your
I'm
first
quite
cover as
chuffed.
exciting?
Sorry.
Was your first cover as exciting?
First cover.
Mandate.
Well, yes.
Mandate cover.
Yeah, the first cover was a bit.
With lipstick marks.
Yes, that was also very exciting. I don't know why. Is it just me, or you just put all these other actors with beautiful women and test their patience and
No, I think they just-
resolve to?
they actually, spot the talent. That what is this man
No, this was
talent for?
definitely more edgier
Yeah, very
than the other one. Other one we did in a bit of a rush, and but this was far more edgier, and I knew when we were shooting it that it'll come out great.
Was the girl uncomfortable shooting with you?
I don't think any woman's uncomfortable with me.
No
I-
one of us is uncomfortable.
I have got.
Everyone wants to know.
No, but
something.
no, I don't think I've had an uncomfortable situation, especially in a
But
working
did you make
scenario.
her comfortable? Did you
I always try and
when she was just posing with you, did you tell her that, listen, don't worry, I'm a man, I'm not going to touch you, I'm not going to do anything, I'm not going to look up, I'm not going to look down. Did you say something like that?
Absolutely. I even made Sunny Leone comfortable in Jism too. So don't have to worry about girls. You don't have to worry about your sense of comfort around me.
Okay, there you
Yes.
go. If we can have some more questions for Randeep Huda. There you go.
Randeep, how different is Randeep the man from Randeep the star?
Well, I don't know how much you know about me, but Randeep the man, not many people know about, and I like to keep it that way. I am not very forthcoming. I can discuss many things but myself. So that's the way I want to keep it. And the star, I don't know, it's an image that people are, taken in by. It will be very sad if I myself get taken in by that image, because then I'll become a caricature of myself. So I keep that very separate, and my modus operandi is to purposefully stay unaware. I make it a point to kind of not let my thoughts wander in that direction, that I'm this image that they are. I'm very normal, and I think the distance, what happens between when the popularity of an actor increases, that actor's distance from real life increases. Hence, most actors end up being caricatures of themselves at a later stage in their career, which I'm trying to watch out for. But if I'm not able to do it, then you point it out to me. All right?
You have his number, right?
I do.
Yeah.
Where did I meet you? Were you there at the shoot?
Everybody's so comfortable that everybody has your number now.
Well.
All right. So moving on to some more questions that we have. Yes.
Hi Randeep, in one of your interviews, you said that doing one movie at a time only works for stars like Amir Khan, and you can't afford to take that liberty. Has that changed over?
That was that was 3-4 years ago. Yeah, I did that in the initial part of my career. In the first 9 years of me being an actor, or in Bollywood, first 4-5 years of me being an actor, I did only 5, 6, 7 films. But then I realized that there was too much distance between every film, and you need to have some volume. So I went down to doing a lot of movies in 1 year, sometimes doing double shifts and all that, just to fit them in, because I really wanted to work. But now again I've come back to that. But usually, if it's a very big movie, it's done in chunks, in different schedules, and it's up to you whether you want to sit out that time or want to take on something else. Like Mayor Charles, I shot with Kick. You know, so I would do a schedule for Kick, and then I'll do a schedule for Mayor Charles, do a schedule for Kick, and do a schedule for Mayor Charles. And I would not ideally want to do it like that. So I'm back to doing one movie at one time. And now that, you know, I've got more liberty, I can tell the director and the producer, look, either you finish it in this chunk of time, or please take somebody else.
Alright, so as you just said, we were talking about the silver screen and your movie, Mayor Charles. When is this movie slated to release?
It was supposed to release in March, but there is a song which we have not been able to shoot due to various reasons, mostly being that the dates are not working out. I've been in a different look and stuff like that. So we're going to finish that song now this month, and I think the release date is set to be 26th of June. And I'm hoping that will not change.
Okay.
Yes.
So is there any excitement, anything that we see you in a different
Oh yeah, I mean it's
flash altogether?
well, my favorite roles are the ones which are transformational, like a highway or a
Yes.
you know, or a Bombay Talkies, or you know, stuff like that. So even this part is pretty transformational, and it's something I enjoy the most. I love being able to tap into things within myself which I haven't before, and it just, for me, it makes my work interesting, and I hope that through that people find my work interesting as well.
You are always interesting. In work, I have always find Highway, not that other films I didn't, but Highway was the peak that I found that, oh, this film for your profile has been such a suitable one.
Yes, thank you very much.
There we go.
Yeah, today all actors are really guarded by their PR. So how do you think?
Aye, अपने पास भी है. अपने पास भी है, boss.
That's your PR, is it?
She's yeah, she works in the office and she's great. She's one of the softer ones I had. If the other ones had come, you guys would all be standing in a line and I'll be in my car. But she's one of the softer ones. Yes.
So how does it help an actor to like move ahead in his or career? Or
Well,
the acting
I have
career?
my PR is Parul Gosain, and we have come to an understanding very early. And she's been with me for many years. We have come to an understanding that I cannot and will not follow that path. So she has to work around it. I am not available for most things. I don't. I don't like to be available for
But
all
you know
these.
what? It is a very. Lately, I have seen. I think this is the third event that I'm doing with you. Lately, I have. Either it is because of your films or because of the event. I see you socially out there. You're visible, which was not there earlier. Like 3 years down
Yes,
the line.
that is why I
couldn't see
attended
that
all the
much.
awards this year. My PR made me do it.
So
Hey,
I'm
we do.
finding it good because you're socially available. You're there. You're seen. You're in media. You're talked about.
Well, after I attended all these awards, I have no. This is, I think, apart from my polo team events, this is the first, movie-related or work that I have stepped out for.
Okay.
I think I got saturated sitting for hours and hours in those events, and
No, I still remember I was doing. I'm just talking about another event where he was there, and the
Which
girls
event was it?
Who were, the school event that we went for, and
Ah.
the girls were going mad for him.
That
still-
was-
they
that
wanted
was
to touch him, they wanted like a bit
the
of
producer, one of the producers of Mayor Charles, is one of the members of the committee of that school, so I could not go.
him. Yeah, so which was
I wanted a few more crores for the promotion.
But I think it was a good spot for you because you.
I felt
now
really out
know
of.
that
I felt
audience-
really out of place.
Because the girls
All my
are
movies are adult, and I don't know what those kids have seen. Probably they've seen Kick.
All
Yeah.
right, there. Can we have some more questions? Yeah.
Randeep, the cover says a razor sharp focus on stardom. Are you a very ambitious person?
I am very ambitious, of course. How do you think you last so long in this town? You can't.
So it's more about getting to the top than enjoying the journey, or how?
Well, for me, the struggle is to get the next piece of assignment. It's not about getting to the top. And top doesn't, you can manipulate your way up there, you can manipulate your whole thing up there, but what does it give you? Ultimately, you are going to disappear from public memory, which is inevitable. Even if you make your own statue and put it in the bloody, in the middle of the road, you're still going to become anonymous over a period of time. But what I try to do is that I'm ambitious in the sense that I want to grow in my work, not necessarily grow to number 1 or 2 or 2.5, whatever it is. So I want to grow in my work, and that's what I'm more ambitious about. The kind of movies that I'm involved in, their content, their scale, their reach, those are the things that I look at it, not from a position point of view.
Very good.
आपकी परवरिश और आपका जो सफर है और जिस तरह की फिल्में आप चुनते हैं
एकदम से मुझे लगा मैं हिंदुस्तान में आ गया. हाँ, बोलिए.
जो परवरिश और सफर रहा है आपका और जिस तरह की फिल्में आपने की हैं उसमें एक देसी लुक ज्यादा हमें नजर आता है और अब मैं और चार्ल्स में एक पूरी तरह से अलग किरदार.
आपने मेरी कौन कौन सी फिल्में देखी पहले
मैंने
बताओ.
हाईवे देखी है,
हाँ.
मैंने वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई देखी.
उसमें कहाँ से देसी लग रहा था?
अक्सर उन किरदारों में ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक टच जो है उसमें हम रणदीप हुड्डा को,
क्योंकि मैं जुहू बैंड्रा में पैदा नहीं हुआ हूँ,
बिल्कुल
मैंने ज़िंदगी देखी है. मेरी ज़िंदगी सिर्फ फिल्मों से नहीं आती है. मेरा तजुर्बा जो है ज़िंदगी का और जो मेरे आव भाव हैं वो असली ज़िंदगी से हैं, ना कि एक फिल्मी ज़िंदगी से हैं. तो उसी रीज़न से शायद आपको लगता है कि ऐसा
वही
है.
किस तरह की ऑब्जर्वेशन काम करती है आपके साथ, क्योंकि बहुत सारी फिल्में जहां हम देखते हैं रणदीप हुड्डा को वो इंटेंसिटी कमाल की.
मैं उसको इंटेंसिटी मेरे ख्याल से गलत वर्ड है. उसका मतलब है इन्वॉल्वमेंट.
जी बिल्कुल.
मेरी इन्वॉल्वमेंट थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है और वो सिर्फ मैं अपने लिए करता हूँ. वो कोई डायरेक्टर आपको बोलता नहीं करने के लिए. मुझे वो करने में मज़ा आता है. जहाँ तक कि आप ऑब्जर्वेशन की बात कर रहे हैं और जो एक आप जो कहना चाह रहे हैं रस्टिक जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, वो भी मेरा एक हिस्सा है. मैं हरियाणा का रहने वाला हूँ और वो मेरे अंदर एक ज़मीन से जुड़े रहने की, एक सन ऑफ द सॉइल वाली एक चीज़ है जो कि मेरे कोशिश करने के बावजूद भी वो मैं उससे दूर रह के दुखी ही रहा हूँ. चार्ल्स जो है, आप बात करें कि उसमें आप अलग किरदार कर रहे हो. हाँ, मेरे उसमें दाढ़ी नहीं है, मेरे बाल अलग तरीके से हैं, मैंने कपड़े अलग पहने हैं, बट दैट्स ऑल ऑर्नामेंटल. द process of how you go about it is different. Charles is obviously he's a Indonesian, half Indonesian, half Indian Sindhi, raised in France. So there is a lot of difference in it. So obviously it's a different character. And if I was playing, let's say, Nathuram Godse, then you will approach it differently. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be rustic or whatever. It'll probably be, whatever. It's a long story.
But I think just to add on to whatever you said, I think he comes from a theatre background. So probably because that is why the intensity which he calls involvement is more because of your theatre background.
Theatre background's got nothing to do with it.
Because
Theatre
I've
acting
seen so
and
many
movie
actors
acting is the
getting
only
so
common.
involved.
They're the same thing. But it's not necessarily because you're a theatre actor, you're a good movie actor. It's not so. In fact, I've seen a lot of good theatre actors are not very good movie actors. Because somewhere they start using different apparatus within themselves. So, okay.
You said you started attending award shows and stuff this year. Is that because you got mainstream success last year? Has it changed you as a person? Because you were
No.
known for your bad boy image.
Sorry? Oh, you asked me too many questions.
Still a
What?
bad boy, I feel.
Sorry,
Bad
sorry,
boy
what?
was actually wanted so much, very desirable bad boy.
There were a few things. One, obviously, my PR really advised me to attend all these events, and the other thing was that I wanted to have a taste of being a part of the bigger thing, and being around all the people which you don't usually you're not usually around. I mean, the whole film fraternity is there and all that, and so that was an attempt to do it. I've never done it before. I've been nominated many times, but I've never had the thing to attend it, because long time back there was some, I don't remember which, they had called me and they said, you're nominated, you're going to get the award, and I said, well, I can't make it on that day, and they said that then we'll not give it to you. That was really that pissed me off, and that was the reason I'd never attended awards till now. And then I said, then why not? At least you get a taste of it. What if I have to get to play a bloody actor in a movie? Need some experience of that too, right?
Did you enjoy the real life experience?
It was okay. It's more of a TV show. It's not for live purposes.
Yeah, can I have
You're also doing a film with Kajal Kajal Agarwal, Do Lafzon Ki Kahaan.
Yes.
So can you tell us something about that film?
Well, we are going to start shooting that film we're going to shoot it in April and May in Malaysia. It's a very it's a love story in all true sense between a girl and a boy.
Yes.
Wow.
For a
Um,
change. For a change.
Yes, for a change, and and I play a mixed martial arts guy in it, and anything else directed by Deepak Tijori, and anything else right now. It's going to be a musical. There'll be a lot of songs in it, so that's all I can tell you so far.
All right, one last question that I am going to take. When you say about mandate, we say it is a Bible for men. So are you preaching some men through this magazine?
Preaching?
Are you preaching, giving them some advice, some tips of how to
Well,
get those girls roaring like how they did it?
I hope.
Aftershave.
Am I flogging aftershave? No. No, I hope. I don't.
Ask about the Deepa Mehta movie.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Most
The most talked about, yes. So I'm going to take that one and then I'm going to come.
Yeah, well, I hope I have something valuable to say.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I hope I have something valuable to say in my interview in this magazine. Otherwise, yeah, you can,
Any question that really shook you up? Asked by Yuvraj?
No, I don't think. Questions shake me up.
Okay, there you go. Specifically when there's girls asking, I'm sure it doesn't shake you up so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
So, as Sir said about Deepa Mehta's movie, which you're going to be featuring in next.
Yes.
So if you can talk a little about that for our media.
That's a movie directed by an Oscar-nominated director, Deepa Mehta, and I think it's a most commercial film till date. It's
Deepa Mehta with commercial movies?
It's her most commercial
okay.
movie till date. I think, in fact, I think it's her only commercial movie,
Exactly,
which
that's what I was saying.
which is the term she hates, but I think that's what she has managed to achieve, because it's a story about inspired from real life gangsters in Vancouver, Sardars. The reason I did this movie was that our imaging abroad is always looked upon as either nerdy or with blue collar worthless jobs, 7-Eleven clerks and taxi drivers and stuff like that. Whereas in this case, there are real life Sardars in Vancouver who give it tit for tat to all communities there, and they're really violent and very, very intimidating people. It's a story about that, but it's more about the family dynamics, the immigrant. It's got Ma in it. It's got Badla in it. It's got
It's got everything in it. But
yeah.
a change, there is a girl and a boy loving each other.
Oh, this got a very beautiful blonde girl. I think all Indians fantasize about white women, blonde especially.
All right, I think, is there some more questions? Yeah, we can take that to
Are
last
you
one.
single?
Yes.
I so wanted to ask this, but his looks are so deadly. I was like, he will kill me.
Yes, but why do you ask? Why do you ask? Are you single?
No, but she's asked you, no? That are you
Well,
single?
I can also ask her. Yeah, are you single?
The
It's
mic
not,
say
I'm not asking her,
the
are
mic
you
say
naked?
her.
I'm saying, are you single? Are you single?
Just say, I am or I'm not. Whatever.
Are you single?
No,
See,
you can't be-
she's so shy about it. Next time you ask that question, love, just be free to say what you are also. It's okay. Nobody's going to print what you are.
Okay,
Don't worry about that.
One last question which everybody wants to know. Is Randeep Hooda single?
Yes, I am single. I will always be single.
Such a liar. Anyways, thank you so much. I thank the entire media fraternity.
Married artist. So I will tick on artist.
But I think that's a pure, sure lie. Do you all believe that he's single? No.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Randeep. Thank you, sir.
साथ आपको वस्त्रहीन करके आप कहीं फोटो लिए जा रहे थे, तो इसमें मेरे ख्याल से कोई कंप्लेंट करेगा नहीं, मैंने भी नहीं की। Even though I'm smoking a cigarette, I'm still looking at it. So I want to thank our man here for putting me on the road. Now that we're वहाँ पे जाते ही
ऐसा ही कवर पे मैंने पोस्टर में पहले भी देखा है, आपने देखा है ऐसा?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा। कहाँ देखा?
मेरे पास है, अगर आप देख सकते हैं, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत मिलता जुलता है।
छी, स्टैंडर्ड रखा करो यार, क्या मिलता
अच्छा नहीं है, मिलता नहीं
है, क्या मिलता है?
ओके, टेल अस अबाउट मैगजीन, क्या इनसाइड स्टोरी हम देखेंगे रणदीप की जो अब इंस्पायरिंग मिले?
तो उसके लिए आप मैगजीन पढ़िए, मैंडेट मेरे ख्याल से अभी इसका इशू बाहर निकल गया। और अगर मैं आपको आपके टीवी चैनल में बता दूंगा तो फिर मैगजीन में क्या बनता?
मैगजीन टीवी चैनल के थ्रू तो लोग पढ़ेंगे नहीं, वो तो जिनको पढ़ना होगा, बट जो आप बताएंगे थोड़ा बहुत।
मुझे याद नहीं अभी इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या पूछा, मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है।
फिल्में बहुत सारी हैं, नए बारे में मुझे बताइए किस तरह की फिल्म है, और एक अभी नई तरीके की रोमांटिक फिल्म
या एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत पोएटिक म्यूजिकल लव स्टोरी है, एक मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट फाइटर के और एक लड़की के बीच में शूट करने वाले हैं। I hope it turns out well.
टॉप पे लाइक किस तरह से अगर कहा जाए कि स्टार्स
मेरी भी इच्छा है, मेरी भी वही इच्छा है, पर सबका तरीका अलग होता है, सबकी चॉइसेस अलग होती हैं और मेरी चॉइसेस अलग हैं। मैं रणदीप हुडा बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं और कोई एक्टर नहीं बनना
रणदीप इस वक्त मैगजीन को टटोल रहे हैं। रणदीप क्या खास है इस मैगजीन का कवर? रणदीप हुडा सख्त और पूरी तरह से शानदार नजर आते हैं हर बार, और एक इवेंट में जब आप मैगजीन को लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, एक बार फिर एसोसिएशन एक लंबा है,
मिलने का मौका मिला। मैं काफ़ी थ्रिल्ड हूँ और होपफुली आगे भी मैं ऐसे ही कवर्स करता हूँ। माय गॉड, पिक्चर्स तो काफ़ी रेसी है, एक से एक हो रही है, बट हाँ वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कवर था विद ऑल दीज ब्यूटीफुल लेगी मॉडल।
उतना ही इन्वॉल्वमेंट, उतना ही पूरी तरह से जो आपकी टच रहता है वो इस तरह के कवर्स को शूट करते हैं।
देखिए, इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा टाइम से। वो एक फिल्म महीनों का एक सफ़र होता है और ये कि कुछ घंटों का शूट होता है, तो उसमें